our leaders from Nyanza, you are also supposed to be honest to our people. You cannot go in public cheating our people how government is bad, how Ruto is bad, how people in Ruto's government are very bad, yet every time you make phone calls, we are going to disclose people who are always calling the president, people who are always calling our PSA and the CS who are inside that place, so that they want to come and work with the government, where yet they have pushed you, they are pushing you not to work with the same government. They are negotiating so many things which are for their own gain. That is why they come out to tell you that wale wameingia ndani wameenda na matumbo yao. Wao ndio wanataka kuleta matumbo yao na wamefungiwa. So that is the truth. Our people, I want to tell you the truth. These leaders are not honest with you. Or else we are going to start telling you one by one who is calling who is ever negotiating with who. The truth is, watu wanataka kuingia serikali, lakini bado wamefungiwa. It is very painful if our people who call themselves leaders, they go to Matanga, they say Ruto is bad. They attack the government of Ruto. And at night, they sit with Ruto's people, they sit with them asking for tenders, they're asking for projects. Even some of our governors are not honest. They say they call Raila their leader, and yet they don't want to embrace the government of William Ruto, yet at night they are in Ruto's backyard, trying to request for things, trying to lobby for tenders for themselves and for their people. It is not very correct, and I'm saying it very categorically. As a people, we have been cheated enough, and we have been used enough. It is high time as a Luo community we be told the truth. The government must serve us, and we cannot allow a few individuals to block the government from serving us by attacking Ruto's president, yet at night they are busy negotiating for tenders which you don't even know. We know these people, we know their game. They always go to the State House, they always go in secret. They say, oh, Raila ndiye ametufanya, we cannot talk about it in public, but actually we are requesting for this. So they go there and use Raila's name. They are even using Raila's name, yet at the daytime they sit with Raila. And even Raila himself is sending emissaries to go and talk so that he can also negotiate for a few things. We have to be genuine this time round, and we have to be honest with each other. Our leaders must be honest to themselves, they must be honest to their leadership, they must also be honest to those who elected them. We want development, and somebody should not pretend that when development is done to us, we call it a right. And then they claim that those are rights which we are supposed to get. No, the rights have not been with us for quite too long. We must embrace the government of the day, work with them in sincerity. Not that you pretend in daytime you are in Matanga abusing the president, and at night you are in Nairobi lobbying for tender for yourself, lobbying for something for yourself. It cannot work. Our people, wake up. We are being cheated. Some people are trying to ride on us, pretending that they are the angels, yet they are not angels. They are cheating you in public, and when they go to the private, they beg and make calls to those people to give them those services and to give them those tenders.